everyone, today I want to show you something very amazing. This is a very beautiful emerald gemstone necklace made in 92.5 silver. You can see this center carving is adding so much elegance to this overall look, and these pearl danglings. This necklace is accompanied by these cute earrings, and you can see the craftsmanship, look and shine of the complete necklace. This is very beautiful. Also, you will get lab certificate with this stating that it is 92.5 pure silver with natural emeralds. You will get premium box packaging with this. If you want to know the price of this, you can directly DM us. For more content like this, follow Raj Gems. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Raj Gems. Today I want to show you this very beautiful and designer necklace. Just have a look to it. And these are hand carved natural gemstone Ganeshji set in 92.5 silver brooch. The green and red combination of this necklace is making it very unique. The complete necklace is very beautiful. If you want to buy this, you can directly DM us to know the prices. We also provide lab certificate stating that these are natural gemstones with 92.5 silver, and we also provide premium box packaging. So if you want to buy this, directly DM us. For more content like this, follow Raj Gems. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Raj Gems. So today I want to show you this very beautiful 4-in-1 necklace. So you can see this necklace is looking very beautiful, and this red and green combination is making it very unique. So first way, you can wear it as choker, and you can see the look of this choker. In second way, you can wear it as long necklace. You can also add another choker or necklace above that to give it a more fuller and elegant look. In third way, you can wear it as hair accessories. You can clip it from behind and see how beautiful it is looking as accessory. In fourth way, you can put the back dory and you can tuck it inside your dress and can be worn as side waist chain. So you can wear this necklace in 4 different ways. So we can say this is a must-have piece in your jewelry. We also provide lab certificate with this stating that this is pure 92.5 silver, and these emeralds and rubies are also pure. We provide premium box packaging with this. If you want to buy this, you can directly DM us to know the prices. For more content like this, follow Raj Gems. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Raj Gems. Today I want to show you this very beautiful freshwater pearl necklace made with 14 lines of freshwater pearl. Just have a look at this necklace. This necklace is beautiful, and there is adjustable thread at the back. You can increase and decrease the length of this necklace. This necklace has ivory shade of freshwater pearl, and just have a look at the color combination of green beads and pearls and these golden beads. This necklace looks very beautiful. If you want to buy this, you can directly DM us to know the prices. We also provide premium box packaging and lab certificate with all our jewelry. This lab certificate is valid worldwide, and this lab certificate will state that this is freshwater pearl. For more information, contact Raj Gems. Thank you.